If we could travel back in time and see Earth 4.5 billion years ago, you would see a harsh, molten world. A world ruled by volcanoes. Volcanoes have helped create everything we know today. Islands, continents, oceans, and even our atmosphere are all thanks to these behemoths. They have interested and inspired people for thousands of years. Their history has been woven together with gods, legends, and sacrifices. Most notably, their capacity to completely decimate their surroundings has left humanity in awe. They are created when Earth's tectonic plates collide into one another and the heat and pressure is forced up to the surface. The nature of a volcano is violence. On land, they are a ticking time bomb. Everything spells disaster as they swell, shake, and smoke before all havoc breaks loose. And they erupt. Volcanoes will always fascinate us, continue to be an inspiration and a force to understand, a force that will outlive us and go on to create the next world.